From Neural Newscast, this is Model Behavior, AI-focused news and analysis on the models shaping our world.
Welcome to Model Behavior, a Neural Newscast production. I'm Nina Park. Today we are looking at a significant hardware pivot from Google, which was announced this morning at the Android Show, I/O edition. The company is introducing a new category of laptops called the Googlebook. They are describing these as the first PCs built from the ground up for Gemini intelligence. It represents a strategic move away from the cloud-first focus of the original Chromebook toward a locally driven intelligence system.
I'm Thatcher Collins. Nina, it is worth asking if this is actually a new category or just a branding exercise for high-end Chromebooks. We have seen Google push the Chromebook Plus label recently with various AI features. Is there a fundamental architectural difference here, or are we just looking at a name change intended to compete more directly with Microsoft's Copilot Plus PCs in the consumer and enterprise markets?
According to Google's Senior Director Alex Kuscher, this is a distinct shift in direction. While the Googlebook runs Android apps like a Chromebook, it will not actually run the traditional Chrome OS. Kuscher referred to a modern operating system designed for intelligence, which aligns with recent rumors regarding Project Aluminum, a hybrid of Chrome OS and Android. The idea is that the operating system itself is built around the Gemini model, rather than a standard web browser interface.
The hardware partners involved certainly suggest a broad industry rollout. Major manufacturers like Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, and Lenovo are all on board for a scheduled fall release. Beyond the internal software, Google is adding physical identifiers like a glowbar light strip on the lid and what they call a featherweight design. Nina, did the announcement clarify what kind of processing power we are talking about to run these local Gemini features effectively without relying on the cloud?
They have not released the full technical specifications yet, but they are framing the category as having heavyweight power. One of the core features they demonstrated is called the magic pointer. By simply wiggling the cursor, Gemini can understand the specific context of what is currently on the screen. For example, if you point at a date in an email, it can automatically set up a meeting. Or if you select an image of a couch, it can visualize it inside a photo of your living room.
That magic pointer sounds like a deliberate attempt to make the AI agent more spatial and context-aware within the workspace. I'm also interested in the Create Your Widget tool. Instead of choosing from a preset list, users can apparently use Gemini prompts to build custom widgets on the fly. It suggests a much more malleable user interface than what we are typically used to with static desktop environments, Nina. It moves us toward a more dynamic computing experience.
It also deepens the tether to the Android mobile ecosystem. There is a quick access feature for searching phone files directly from the laptop, and you can cast applications from your phone to the Googlebook without actually downloading them locally. It is an aggressive play for ecosystem lock-in. However, these are not going to be budget devices. Expectations are that these will sit in the premium range, potentially retailing between $750 and $1,000.
That is a significant jump from the budget-friendly roots of the Chromebook line. My concern, Nina, is whether there is a clear appetite for these intelligent systems in the current consumer market. We've already seen Microsoft struggle to articulate exactly why a Copilot Plus PC is a must-have for the average user. Google is betting that the Gemini brand and deep Android integration will be enough to justify that premium price point when these devices land this fall.
It is a significant gamble on the AI PC trend that has dominated the industry throughout this year. We will be watching for the specific hardware specifications as we get closer to that fall launch window. Thank you for listening to Model Behavior. You can find more of our coverage at mb.neuralnewscast.com. Neural Newscast is AI-assisted, human-reviewed. View our AI transparency policy at neuralnewscast.com.
This has been Model Behavior on Neural Newscast, examining the systems behind the story